Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I know where to sleep. There's somewhere you can tell me. He walks on, doesn't look
May sabon pa.
He pretends he can't hear her.
Saka yung likod niya.
Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh,
Sabunan mo na
think
ako.
twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for
Sabon pa.
you
Sabon
and
pa.
me in paradise.
Sabon pa o sa kapatid. Sabon pa rin.